Hello everyone. Now in this tutorial I wanna show you how to show hidden files in Windows 10. Simply guys, we have this test folder. As you can see, we have many folders. I want to hidden this folder and show again. Right click all, properties, select hidden. As you can see in the general tab, click apply. Here we have two options. First one, apply changes to the selected item only. Second option, apply changes to the selected item plus subfolders and files. So I want to hidden just the selected items only, so I will select the first option. Okay, as you can see, my folders now are hidden. So I want now to show these folders, so simply go to the top, click view and check box hidden items. As you can see, the hidden folder, as you can see, the hidden folders appear again. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.